A severe thunderstorm warning remains set until the National Weather Service, Blacksburg, has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Washington County, northwestern Caswell County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Harrison's Crossroads, or near Wentworth, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Greenville, Wentworth, Lee, Quick, Oregonville, Harrison's Crossroads, and Ruffin. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, as well as Rockingham,